Here's Greta. Now she's gonna do something pretty sweet, so I hope you guys will enjoy watching it. Let's talk to Greta again, shall we?
It looks like the sorceress has already used the plans to build her own rocket. We have to destroy it. Just follow me.
Now watch this, guys. Hi-ya! Note to self, don't mess with Greta. She's got lethal weapons.
Hey, look what was in the rocket. He must have been trying to put it into orbit.
Grady! Aw, how cute.
If you see Hansel, tell him I've gone back to Evening Lake to finish work on the professor's rocket.
Absolutely, Greta.